Hi everyone. Today in this video, I'll show how you can delete the repository from the GitHub through the console. Okay. So in this video, I will tell you how you can delete from console, not from the command line or GitHub CMD. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to just log into your GitHub account and you have to come to the repository and then you have to click on your repository. So I have a test repo. Okay. So I'll click on this and then you have to click on the setting. Okay, so I'll click on the setting and we have to scroll down. So if you see, here is the danger zone. Okay, so all the risky things is here is the at last we have the delete repository. So I'll click on that and then I want to delete this repository and then I'll acknowledge this and we have to confirm it with typing this name. I'll copy it and paste and then delete this repo. Okay, and here we go this. If you see, the repo is deleted and it's saying we don't have any repository on this channel. Okay, so thanks for watching. Stay tuned. I will connect in some another video.